Gripping the gun is one of the fundamentals of shooting. Do you have the right grip? At Engage Virtual Range, you have the chance to practice your grip over and over until it becomes second nature. This is how we teach grip. With our dominant hand, we grip the gun so that we're under the back strap and we're clear of the action as it comes back and forth. We wrap our middle, fourth, and fifth fingers around the gun, keeping our index finger off the trigger and across the rail. With our non-dominant hand, we put our palm right on the grip, laying one thumb on top of the other and wrapping the rest of our fingers on our non-dominant hand around. What we want to look for is having the index finger and the thumb about the same length down the rail to give us support forward and back. That's how we teach grip at Engage Virtual Range, to give you the best foundation for a great shot. Comments or questions, please post in the link below. Follow us on Facebook or Twitter, and stay tuned for the next instructional video.